Welcome to the Fast Tracks Academy. In this cashier training video, I will be showing you how to do a shift reconciliation. The first thing we're going to do after we're logged into our POS is select our action button. From here, we're going to select the reconciliation button, and then we will select the shift reconciliation. You will see the current dates open reconciliations by default. Down at the bottom, you have the ability to hit the include unreconciled button. If there are any reconciliations that were not finalized prior to this day, they will then appear. From here, we will highlight our Reg Z. We will select it down at the bottom. Once the reconciliation has loaded, you will notice that there are a few features here. There are entry boxes for your cash, safe drops, paper checks, electric checks, gift cards, credit cards, debit cards, food stamps, manufacturer coupons, store coupons, other, and a grand total. Below that, we have room for our pay-ins and payouts, our check deposits, cash deposits, starting till, total deposits. If we move right, we have our safe starting number, ending number. If you guys have your own ATM and you move money back and forth, you have the ability to notate any money that was taken from or put into the ATM. You have a spot to put in your credit card batch number, batch amount, check batch numbers, check amount, and lastly, a place to put in any notes where if you have any discrepancies, you can leave a note for your superiors to see. Depending on how your system is set up, you may or may not see the system details. This is what we call a blind register Z. It does not let us know what is in the drawer. So at this point, we're going to utilize our Z tape and we're going to utilize our cash drawer to count our actual cash values. And we are going to put our information in. Once our numbers are in, we'll go ahead and hit continue. If we are using lottery, then our lottery reconciliation will come into play here. If your company sells lottery, at this point, you will be able to activate any scratch off games. You will select the drop down here, select the game you wish to activate, type in the book number, and hit activate book. This will add the game into the system to be sold and counted for future reconciliation. Once we have that all set up, we'll hit continue. And at this point, we will see the different lottery games that we sell and how many of each we have sold, at which point we will type in the different values for the games that we have sold. You'll notice the start number and the end number, and that will tell you where you should be. Once we've taken care of our scratch games, we'll move on to our lotto information, where we can select our values for our online sales, online cancels, our online cash outs, promo credits, our balance, any instant validations or activations, and our net sales. Once that's been completed, we are now at our lottery safe, where we have the ability to add games to our safe. So if we got any new games in, we can go ahead and select one, select how many we received, and how many tickets in total we received. We go ahead and click add to safe. And now those items have been added. Once this has been completed, we'll select the reconciliation is final option, save it, save our reconciliation data. Once the recon has finalized with the system, we can go ahead and click close. And as you will see on the screen, our checkboxes for Z as well as lottery are checked. Once we're done with that, we can click on close and clock out for the day, and we are done. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more training videos. And for more cashier trainings, please check out our cashier training courses in the FTx Academy. Have yourself a wonderful day.